Thinking about booking Utopia of the Seas? Come with us while we explore the ship for the first time. The first thing that caught my eye was this beautiful vintage car right in the middle of the Royal Promenade. I definitely wasn't expecting to see that on a cruise ship. The Royal Promenade ended up being one of my favorite areas because there was always something going on: shops, food, music, and people everywhere. Every time we turned a corner, there was something new to see. The ship honestly felt like a floating city. I was surprised by how modern everything looked. Pictures really don't do it justice. If you're someone who likes to stay busy on vacation, I don't think you'd ever run out of things to do here. One thing I wish we would have done was spend even more time just exploring before our activities started. There were so many hidden spots. If you've been on Utopia, let me know your favorite areas because I'm curious if we missed anything. Overall, I can definitely see why everyone's talking about this ship. Would you book Utopia of the Seas after seeing this?